Hey guys, Mike with LiveRC.com here, back for another Thursday Testimonials product review. This week we have ourselves the Exotek MIP tool collars. So what these are is they are alloy collars that have etched on them the size of each wrench, and they go on the MIP tools. They slide right here on the shaft of the tool. They use a 1.5mm set screw, which is included, and grip right on there. And basically what it does, not only does it color code your tools, but if you're like me, I've had great luck with MIP tools, and I have had these tools literally forever. So what little markings that they did have on them before is well gone by now. So I've got to really inspect them, trying to figure out what size I've got in my hand. This makes it super easy. They're color coded, they're labeled, etched on there, and like I said, they're held in place with a 1.5mm set screw. The only tricky part that I've found so far with these is when you have a 1.5mm and you're trying to put the collar on, you got to have a buddy with another 1.5mm, but that's minor details and well worth the hassle, barring a 1.5mm for 22 seconds to put it on. Comes with four 1.5mm, 2.0, 2.5, and a 3.0. Comes with set screws for all of them. I tell you what, I'm absolutely in love with them, because now instead of saying I need a 2.0 or 2.5, I just say, oh, I need the red one or the blue one or the silver one. I actually don't even have a 3.0, so I've just got that one chilling in the box looking cool. Not to mention, they add a little bit of style to your MIP tools at the same time. Another Exotek product that I'm very happy with. They're $19.99 MSRP. You can get them on ExotekRacing.com. Not to mention dealers and distributors around the world. I do believe they sold out of their first batch, so I'm assuming another batch is going to be well on the way here pretty soon. So when they do come back available, if you get yourself some MIP tools, I highly recommend these. 5 out of 5 in the Beacon rating. Exotek, outstanding job. MIP, outstanding job on your tools. Combine the two, you got the perfect tool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another Thursday Testimonials product review.